The Guardian. The Guardian. Trump news at a glance. President blasts NATO allies amid reports U.S. will send more troops to Middle East. Trump claims strict voter ID act should be easy pass but says we need Democrat votes as it happened. Today. Here are the latest major headlines from the United States today. Globe showing Europe-Africa 1. U.S. tensions rise in Middle East. The U.S. is preparing to send more troops and warships amid growing conflict with Iran. The Guardian. Iran has disrupted oil routes like the Strait of Hormuz, affecting global markets. The Guardian. President Trump criticized NATO allies for not fully supporting U.S. efforts. The Guardian. Crossed swords 2. Israel-Iran war escalating. Israel launched new airstrikes on Tehran and Beirut, while Iran continues missile retaliation. The Guardian. The conflict is causing regional instability and rising oil prices worldwide. The Guardian. Classical Building 3. U.S. politics and legal battles. Trump is pushing for strict voter ID laws, but faces political resistance. The Guardian. A federal judge blocked Pentagon media restrictions, defending press freedom. The Guardian. The administration also filed a lawsuit against Harvard University over alleged issues. The Guardian. Chart decreasing 4. Economic concerns growing. U.S. stock markets have fallen for 4 consecutive weeks due to war tensions. The Guardian. Farmers are struggling with high fertilizer costs linked to oil disruptions. The Guardian. Basketball 5. March Madness dominates sports news. Big NCAA basketball games are underway, including Duke, Michigan, and Texas matchups. New York Post. The tournament is drawing huge attention across the country. Television 6. TV schedule disruptions. Popular shows like The Price is Right were temporarily taken off air due to sports coverage. The Sun. High voltage overall situation today. The U.S. is facing a mix of international conflict, political tension, and economic pressure, while sports events like March Madness dominate public attention.